is the teeth of the knife. What happens is they're all straight when it's first sharpened. The more you use the knife, they start to fold a little bit. The more they fold and they start getting down like that, what happens is they knuckle over eventually in parts. They'll start knuckling over. And it's so minute where that knuckles over that what will happen is that's what causes the dullness of the blade. All right? We don't want it to knuckle over, and that's what this does. This takes that part that starts to bend like that and straightens it right up. It takes no metal off, it just straightens it. It's like pushing the fence up perfectly. And it's minutia. It's like microscopic where it starts to happen. But by you doing that, it takes care of it. It doesn't happen again. It'll at least stop it for a while. So there's a way of sharpening a knife, and I'm going to show you the simplest way. Now chefs, I'll tell you right now, will start sharpening it this way. Okay? The problem with this is, you see where my hand is? You see the direction I'm going? All right, I don't want anybody here to cut themselves. And not only that, you can't see the angle very well of the blade. You can maybe, because you're on that side, but I can't. So what I tell everybody to do is I want everybody, when you start to hone, and we'll all do it together, I'm going to have you put the honing tool down like this. I'm going to have you, well, I guess I also should show you how to hold the knife, because I'm jumping ahead. We're all going to hold the knife by our thumb, goes right on the bolster like that. The back of the finger goes on this side. The two fingers go under, and that's how you hold the knife, just like that. Thumb, back like that. Does everybody see it? Thumb, back like that, and two fingers. Now go ahead and let's try to hold a knife here for a second. There's a reason why you hold the blade, why I want you to hold the blade. Because if you hold it like a baseball bat, it's going to twist on you, and you're not going to have control. And especially if you're working around food and you get it on your hands, you get butter, you get anything, your hands get slippery, you'll lose control. We never want to lose control of this blade, because this blade is really sharp. And it could go, and especially if you're cutting something that's kind of rounded, and you don't have a hold of that blade, and you want it to go this way, and it'll slide on you, and it can slide. If you get some pressure this way that pushes that blade as you're pushing down, it can go right into you. So it can never go into you if you have a hold of that blade. All right? So I really need all of you now, go ahead and hold the blade up, and when you grab the blade, let's see, Mia, have you got it here? You've got it, yeah. Now this finger goes on that side, these two fingers go